Guys, I'm going to take you on a video walking tour of the boardwalk section here on the Allure of the Seas. Now this is at the aft of the ship, and it's where the carousel and the aqua show and, you know, a lot of different restaurants and bars are. So I'm going to take you on a tour through on a port day when there's not many people here. Then I'm going to throw in some clips along the way where it looks like maybe at night and when it's more crowded. So hey, let's turn around and take a look. Like some wooden horses when you come in. In the mornings over here to the right, we got like 6 different homemade donuts. You can come out and get donuts. Over on the left, called the Boardwalk Dog House, you come out and get you a hot dog. We'll go down the right side first. Here's the carousel. Here'd be a good time to throw in a video clip of what the carousel looks like in action. Here we go, cups and scoops. We've got an ice cream parlor, and we've got a foosball table out here to play foosball. Playmaker, sports bar, and arcade. So if you want to play some video games and have a drink, watch sports, it's probably the place to be. Let me see if I can look in right quick. Yeah, that's the arcade part. Just walk through some big TVs. They got a nice bar, got some seating inside, and you look out here, looks like we got some seating outside too. A lot of seating outside, a lot of seating inside. All right, here is the exit to the Abyss dry slide. That starts out up on deck 16, 15 or 16, I can't remember. I think it's 16. Comes out down here on deck 6. All right, here's where the slide exits right here. Look up. That's where I came from, way up there. Here's where it comes out. So if you're brave enough, give it a try. Walk here at the back. This is the Aqua Theater back here. I walked up, like I say, this is where they have that show where all the high divers and everything are. Take a little look. Yeah, it looks like they're in here practicing today. I'm going to swing around. They've got a rock climbing wall on each side. So if you're brave, you can come try to climb the rock climbing wall. Let me swing around. There's the slide, and there's another rock climbing wall over on that side. Let's walk back here behind the water show Aqua Theater and see what's back here. We're docked in Rotan today. That's the Norwegian Viva right there. Yeah, they got some shuffleboard, and I know they got one on the other side too. I guess that's shuffleboard. If it ain't, leave me a comment and tell me what it is. And there's the Viva. There's looking off the back of the Allure into Rotan. All right, let's go down the other side. This first place we're going to come to is Johnny Rockets. I'll get up here and we'll show you. It's actually free to eat breakfast there. Then there's a small charge if you want to eat lunch or dinner there. Got burgers and shakes, and most people kind of know what that is. Pretty big restaurant though. I'll walk up there and get a picture of the menu. There's the lunch menu. And here's the breakfast menu. Here's a shot looking up, and like the Central Park section, they've got balcony cabins overlooking the Boardwalk section too. So if you like to people watch, and you can also see out the back of the ship, and if you got the right one, you can watch the aqua show. So this is another alternative to an ocean view balcony cabin that you might enjoy. I've actually stayed in one before, and it's probably my second favorite balcony cabin, right behind the ocean view balcony. Moving on up, it's like a sunglasses and souvenir shop called the Star Pier. And we got the Candy Beach Sweets. And pinwheels. See a bunch of stuffed animals and souvenirs in there. And we're right back at the dog house. This is where I came in. So this is where I'll wrap up the video. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the boardwalk here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos coming up here on the end screen. Till next time, happy cruising.